cracks in the NDA are becoming increasingly clear just days ahead of the polls, with the BJP's oldest ally Shiv Sena hinting at fielding candidates in Uttar Pradesh, making it clear that they have no alliance with the party outside of Maharashtra. Sources now suggest that the Shiv Sena may also field candidates in Bihar and Delhi, but they've made clear that they won't field candidates against Narendra Modi or Rajnath Singh.
Their alliance in Maharashtra is on shaky ground, with Shiv Sena clearly making its displeasure known over BJP's alleged overtures towards the MNS. And in a clear indicator that all is not well in the BJP Shiv Sena bonhomie,
कि महाराष्ट्र के बाहर शिवसेना चुनाव लड़ेगी। क्यों नहीं लड़ेगी? शिवसेना एक बड़ी पार्टी है, अपनी खुद की विचारधारा है।
the Sena making it clear that they are planning to contest elections in Uttar Pradesh.
हमारे इस समय शिवसेना के जो अध्यक्ष हैं श्री उद्धव जी ठाकरे, उनसे बराबर बातचीत होती रहती है। मैं तो पूरी तरह से आश्वस्त हूं और विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं कि यह गठबंधन किसी भी सूरत में नहीं टूटेगा। हमारा उनका अटूट केवल राजनीतिक रिश्ता ही नहीं है, बल्कि अटूट हम लोगों का अब अपना व्यक्तिगत रिश्ता भी बन चुका है।
Sources say Shiv Sena plans to field 20 candidates in Uttar Pradesh, including against BJP, but won't fight BJP bigwigs like Modi and Rajnath Singh.
Certainly, even if we fill candidates, we will not be putting up candidates in Varanasi, where Modi ji is contesting, where in Lucknow, where Rajnath Singh ji is contesting.
Gadkari's meeting with Raj Thackeray, MNS chief's open backing of Narendra Modi, and now Sena taking on BJP outside Maharashtra. Clearly, all is not well with the BJP Shiv Sena alliance. Bureau Report, Times Now.